Yo, what's up guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Welcome back to another new video. So guys, in this video we are exploring about Indian smallest state. Guess what? Yes, you're right. It's Goa. So we explore Goa. So let's explore. As you know, Goa is the smallest state of India, and Goa is the western Indian coastal and Arabian Sea as the longer of history Portugal. Covered in 1961, as you know, British leave India on 1947, but Portugal only stay on Goa and ruling till the 1961 and the presence of 17 countries as an area and tropical space. As in all, this is the smallest state, but also there is a 70% of the land of the Goa is covered with an forest land. Till present, the chief minister of Goa is Pramod Sawant, and before Pramod Sawant is almost 7 or 8 peoples or more. And governor of Goa is Bhagat Singh Kosiari. And the area covered geographically as a Goa is 3702 kilometers by considering and by saying all that it's 0.11 by the total area of India or our country India. And this state is the two divisible. Divisible mean to say that is the south or this is the north. The two dividends of one state is called dividers of state. This is the divider, and Goa is also a divided state. Goa has a two zone. First is in north and second is south. And north of the Goa is a city place, and the south of the Goa is as a naturally made by God natural. There is resorts or in forest touring areas or in beautiful naturally made by and beaches. There is a north side also beaches, but not like that. Their beaches is very crowded area, and the south is very sweet and peaceful area of Goa. Goa is in the southern coast and an offshore Iceland. I say Iceland, but you see, Iceland is covered with all four sides with water. And you think Goa is not a Iceland, but Goa is an offshore Iceland. Offshore Iceland means three side covered with land and the one side lefted covered with water is called offshore Iceland is the Goa of India. And Goa firstly founded by Portugal first man Vasco da Gama and Goa in 1498 under the guise of the explorer by an Vasco da Gama. And there is an water cover one part, so there is beaches also, so there is total beaches of that south and north in Goa is 35 beaches in Goa. And in stay the North Goa is almost right, but in North Goa is only a flat or an hotel that that you live only in a room. But in South there is a natural by and resort that you rock around, that you mean by all around the area of resort or other area. And guys, Goa is the most tourism place on India, and Americans or in other countries people will only on come on Goa to enjoy our Indian country Goa. Guys, me and my family was also go on Goa and enjoyed so much. Please, I'll share you a little bit of photos. Please check out them. So guys, this is today's video. If you like it, give the smash button. If you did not like this, give the dislike button smash. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. So till then, take care. Bye bye.